So this is the medicine cabinet from Zenna Homes, and I'm just about to install it right there because we're renovating our bathroom. So let's get to it, shall we? So the only thing included with this is the actual medicine cabinet itself. There's no screws, nuts, or bolts, or instructions. Just a medicine cabinet. But it looks like it mounts fairly easily, so that's what we're gonna do. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put a beam right here, just across the back of it, so that I can hang the medicine cabinet off of it. That's probably the easiest way to go. Instead of trying to screw it in from the side, I'm gonna mount it to the back. So it has two hinges, one up here, one down here, a magnet here for closing it, and it's just that simple. Maybe I went a little bit overboard, but I think it's gonna look pretty good when I get the drywall up. Basically it hangs here, there's another one to hang there, and two more down here, so you can hang it on with 4 bolts, 4 screws, and then it just drops in and it stays in there. I've only got one holding it now because I'm gonna wait till the drywall is done. But there you go, a perfectly functioning medicine cabinet that is recessed. And I think it's gonna look pretty nice when we're all done in here. If we ever get done in here.